Musamseleku noticed Mayene's family that he want to have Istanbul polygamy at the first time before he got married to their daughter Mayeni. Mayene's parents, they didn't allow Mayeni to get married to Musamseleku at the first time. Musamseleku moved on and he got married to Macele. He asked Macele's family that I want to have Istanbul. Macele is going to be the wife number one. And Macele's family, they allow Musamseleku to have Istanbul. So the wife number one is very important. Musamseleku can't get married to another wife without the wife number one's permission. That's why Musamseleku didn't go forward to get married to Mayeni, to put Mayeni as the wife number one, and Macele now is the wife number one. So Musamseleku married to Mayeni and Masaule, and he go back again and he got married to Mayeni. Mayeni was the wife number three. So Musamseleku tells them at the first time, I don't understand. On season 9 they were at meeting with the Musamseleku about Makwela. Mayeni doesn't want Makwela, Musamseleku, to get married to Makwela, but they know it because Musamseleku at the first time, he tells them before he got married to Mayeni. That's why they separated at the first time. But Musamseleku was keeping going back to Mayeni and married her as the wife number three. I don't think that maybe Musamseleku promised Mayeni that you are the last wife. I don't understand, because at that time he was married to Mayeni. Musamseleku was dating Makumalo and Mangwawe again at that time before he married Mayeni on 2008, because those people, they are keeping dating even they are separated, but they are dating behind Macele. So there are issues between Mayeni's family and Musamseleku. Mayeni's family, they don't support Musamseleku's polygamy, and Macele's family, they support Musamseleku's polygamy. So there is an issue. That's why Macele and her sisters, they are discussing about Mayeni, that we allow Musamseleku, because Musamseleku didn't hide a secret to us. Musamseleku came clean before he got married to Macele that I want to have Istanbul, and they have got an agreement. They know that Musamseleku, when he married to his second wife, his late wife Masaule, he bring cows to Macele's family. So Musamseleku is owing Macele's family. You know that Mayeni doesn't know what she was doing. Mayeni was supposed to be the first wife, and her family, they were supposed to benefit. Those cows of Makumalo, Mangwabe were supposed to be at Mayeni's family. Mayeni's father was supposed to have got 5 cows: Masaule, Makumalo, Macele, and Mangwabe. But Mayeni's family, they didn't allow. And now Macele's family is the family now is benefiting more. They know that if Musamseleku decides to bring the wife number 6, Musamseleku is going to pay for them again. Musamseleku always Makumalo's cow, Mangwabe's cows. He pay Masaule's cow only to Macele's family. So they have got an agreement. They benefit on it. So Mayeni's family, they don't think like that. And Mayeni's father, they tells Mayeni at the first time that you have to leave that man because he want to have a polygamy. We don't believe in that culture. So Mayeni didn't listen to her parents. They keep dating on secret until Mayeni, she got pregnant with Mpumelelo. When Mayeni, she got pregnant with Mpumelelo, and Mayeni's parents, they say that they don't have a choice. Those kids, they love each other. They truly love each other. That's why Musamsele could decide, and they allow that he have to marry Mayeni as the wife number 3, because they don't have a choice. Now they are regretting that if when they allow it at the first time, are those people who are benefiting all those things Macele and their family are benefiting, because are those people who start to allow Musamseleku to have got East Temple. Musamseleku have got powers through Machile's family.